This video explains how to use the gas hob. So before you use this, please ensure that this switch is on, otherwise the igniter won't start. You'll find that you have 4 knobs and it corresponds to each ring. So this one is bottom right, then you have top right, top left, and then you have bottom left. To use the hob, you push down, you can hear it starting the igniter, you turn, and then you release. And you can turn this down or turn this up. Please ensure all the knobs are at the 12 o'clock position when you're finished to ensure that the gas is off. Please wipe down the surface with a soft cloth if you make any spillages. And that's how to use the gas hob. Thank you.